We'll explain what the thyroid does, why hypothyroidism is more common in women compared to men, why doctor prescribe lifelong medication, and how Brazil nuts can restore thyroid function naturally. Stay tuned till the end. Why even healthy individuals should consume Brazil nuts. Understanding the thyroid and its role in our body. The thyroid is a butterfly-shaped gland located in our neck. It produces two main hormones, T3 and T4. These hormones regulate metabolism, energy levels, heart rate, and even brain function. When the thyroid becomes underactive, it doesn't produce enough hormones, leading to hypothyroidism, which causes fatigue, weight gain, hair thinning, depression, cold intolerance. Why are women more prone to hypothyroidism compared to men? Women are 5 times more likely to develop hypothyroidism than men. The reason: hormonal changes during pregnancy, menopause, and menstrual cycle can trigger thyroid issues. Autoimmune disorders like Hashimoto's thyroiditis are more common in women. Iodine and selenium deficiency plays a major role in thyroid dysfunction. Why do doctors recommend lifelong levothyroxine? Doctor prescribe levothyroxine, a synthetic T4 hormone, to compensate for the underactive thyroid. But here's the truth: levothyroxine does not cure hypothyroidism. It only provides hormone replacement, keeping the body dependent on medication for life. Can we naturally support thyroid? Yes. Selenium is a key mineral that can help restore thyroid functions, and the best natural source of selenium is Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts come from the Amazon rainforest and are one of the richest natural sources of selenium in the world. Nutritional profile of Brazil nuts: 2 nuts, selenium 200 microgram, healthy fats 5 gram, protein 2 grams, magnesium, zinc, and vitamin E. How selenium in Brazil nuts can reverse hypothyroidism. Selenium is essential for converting T4, that is inactive thyroid, into T3, that is active thyroid hormones, improving thyroid functions, reducing thyroid inflammation caused by autoimmune disorders, protecting thyroid cells from oxidative stress. Research shows that just 2 Brazil nuts a day can meet your selenium needs and support thyroid health naturally. Brazil nuts not just for hypothyroidism. If you are a healthy person also, Brazil nuts can help you boost immunity, improve brain function, supports heart health, and enhance skin and hair quality. They are similar to almonds but pack a more powerful nutritional punch. Now the question is how to consume Brazil nuts. Eat 2 Brazil nuts daily, preferably in the morning. Do not exceed to avoid selenium toxicity. Pair them with healthy diet for maximum benefits. The final thoughts: if you or someone you know is struggling with hypothyroidism, try adding 2 Brazil nuts daily to your diet. It's simple, natural, and effective way to support your thyroid. Before consuming, just make dry roasting for Brazil nut for 2 to 3 minutes. It is more effective and more absorption when you make dry roasting. Stay healthy and stay active.